Look at this picture and tell me what is the main subject is. 99.9999% of humans will get this wrong. Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Dan. So today I'm going to show you one of my signature shots taken in the Maldives, and I'd like you to take your time and tell me what is the main subject is. You don't have to do it right now. You can pause it and you can come back to the video a little later or even tomorrow and tell me what is the main subject. Just look at it and decide what is the main subject is. Is it the person, the beach, the palm trees, the sand, the ocean, or just the Maldives in general? Okay, now let me show you what almost no one sees. Most people look at this picture and focus on the human or the scenery. But the real subject, the one that changes the entire meaning of this image, is the bike. Because the bike is not just sitting there, the bike is the portal that brought this human from the real world into this paradise. The bike is the portal that makes the paradise believable. Is the bridge between two worlds. Without the bike, it's just a person standing on the beach. With the bike, it becomes a journey. Someone who came from somewhere and is now standing at the edge of something unreal. Look at the moment captured here. The human has stopped, frozen, not posing, not performing, just shocked by what's unfolding in front of them. And the bike is right there, left behind at the exact border where reality ends and the paradise begins. Without the bike, it's just a pretty postcard. With the bike, it becomes a story, a transition, a crossing, a moment where the ordinary world ends and something magical starts. And by the way, this picture has no editing. This is exactly how I shot the picture, which makes the whole transition feel even more surreal. That's why for me the bike is the true subject of this picture. It's the portal that connects to different realities, to different worlds, to different dimensions. And once you see it that way, you cannot unsee it. I understand a lot of you may disagree with my interpretation because art can have different meanings, different perspectives, different dimensions, and different interpretations. But that's completely fine because you can always come up with your own conclusion or perspective. If you would like to see more of my Maldives videos, I'll put a link in the description below of the full Maldives playlist. And also I do have an article about why Maldives looks like it's from different planet. I'll put a link in the description below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next.